Welcome back, kiddies. Part number 8, box number 8, final box. Can't believe we've gotten this far. Box number 8. We've had one framed signature. We've had a couple relics, jersey relics, nothing special. We've gotten lots of the rare backs on the minis, but we are really looking for those framed relics at this point. That is what we are hoping for. First things first, see that second to the top pack? Looks a little fat to me, just initially anyway. Yeah, second to the top. Okay. Six. So 57, 58, this is 59. We've been numbering all of our 8 boxes, each 8 packs in a row. 60, 61, 62, 63. So 63 I think is the one that looks a little bit fatter. But 64, we're going to go up to pack 64. That's 8 packs, 8 boxes, 8 times 8 equals, you got it, 64. Owatani on his Japan card. Nice. I don't know if that goes for more than his rookie card or not. Look at how off-center that card is, the mini. Huh. Oh, that's a super creepy card. What? Get out of here. Little creeper. Goraphobia, I think that's the fear of clowns. I would Corlophobia, I don't know, whatever it is. I think they purposely cut that off center to make it even creepier. I'm going to have to put him back where he goes after I show off Owatani here. Check that out. Very cool Japan card. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. See if there's anybody else in here. No. I'm pretty sure that Scary Clown card, I bet you will go for quite a bit more than all the other ones, just because how creepy it is. Alright. 58. Pack 58. The catch glove for your old equipment. Let's just check the back while we're here. Oh, nice. Look at that. I can't believe it. I just did a little pre-mini reveal. Okay, so the mini is the cryptocurrency, which we've been looking for. And I have seen the mini going for like $10. I've seen the gold mini going for a couple $100. The black border mini, $100. So that cryptocurrency, card may have just paid for this box. I don't think all 8 boxes, but check it out. Oh, and it's the black border. Nice. I couldn't tell that from the backside. Check it out. Awesome. Yeah, that's $20 maybe. So that'll pay for the box. That's awesome. A lot more centered than that creepy clown in the last pack. So that is alright. Took us 8 boxes. That's the second crypto card that we've gotten. The other one was just a regular common of the big card, but anyway, very happy about that one. Pack number 58. Wow. Cryptocurrency black border. Look it up. See what it's going for. I'm guessing, like I said, probably $10. Maybe more now. as more people are starting to collect them. I think as the price starts to go back up, excitement, emotion starts to go up, I think you might see those cards go up in value just because people who are into crypto might want to, spend some of their profits on a sweet card. I mean, that's the whole thing that makes this series so cool, is that they throw in those weird things that you don't even have to be a baseball collector or a card collector. You can just, personally be into it. So, anyway. I'm sure if you're a Detroit fan, you know who that guy is, but I've never heard of him. Alright, we got a rookie card on the mini. Let's see, on the back, it's the regular. No big deal. Yeah, I think if I could just pull crypto cards out of here, the variants, then that's where we'd be. And, so we're on pack 60, box 8 of 8. But stay tuned after this, because we are going to be opening up these 3-pack value packs, and inside of them, it's got 3 gold cards. So we're gonna have 3 mini gold cards to open up at the end of that video. So look out for that video. Should be coming out pretty soon. Enceladus on the moon of Saturn. Puig. Martinez, and we got the A&G back. Awesome. There is Enceladus. You can really see that right up there. See all that? That is like an opening of a glacier, and there's geysers and I don't know, whatever shoots out of there. Read your science books. But Enceladus, moon of Saturn. Very cool. Probably, so it's Enceladus of Saturn, and then which one? The one of Jupiter, that are probably the 2 best chances of us finding life on, would be those 2 moons. Probably. I mean, probably going to find it everywhere you look, just like on Earth. Everywhere they look, they find it. But okay, something feels weird with the mini. I'm not 100%, but Jose Abreu from Cuba. Ozzie Smith. Penderson. So another one of the more rare, or not rare, sorry, but just people collect these cards a little bit more. So he's an advocate and a motivational speaker. And if you didn't already see who the next person is, we got Mr. Owatani, rookie card. So that's our second Owatani. We got 1 rookie card here. We didn't get any minis with him, but we did get his Japan card. There's a total solar eclipse. I think that's cool they put that in, because last year I think a lot of people... Oh, I keep jumping ahead. Yeah, so the total solar eclipse, very cool. A lot of people were able to see that and learn about that. Anyway, that's always great when that can happen. All right, here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Cryptocurrency. Look at that. Look at that. The mini. All right, now we need to know if we got the A&G backing or not on our mini. We've been getting lucky, so I'm not expecting it, but we didn't get it. Dang. That's pretty nice pack, though. Owatani, Penderson, non-player, Smith, the solar eclipse, and Abreu from Cuba. But still, that's that pack right there is pretty stacked. Pack number 61. Roger Maris 61. Isn't Roger Maris 61? Or was he number 60? Pack number 62. Bondi Beach in Sydney. Looks like Andre Dawson. The Hawk. Zorbist, Roberto Clemente, and we got the Watercross. Looks like a snowmobile dude. Back in 1977. Regular back. Check out the beach. Bondi Beach. Nice. Okay. Alright. Framed relic. This, I think this was my pack that I picked out, 63. So, moment of truth. 2 packs left of our 8 boxes. Doesn't look like anything. Ivan Pudge Rodriguez. Oh. Regular back. He wants to sneak out. Put him back in there. Nothing. Lou Gehrig. Nice. Goes for a couple bucks. And the Alomar. Alright, we're on the final pack. Radar gun. That's a cool card. I've seen that before. Take a look at that. Sure. Regular back. Check out the radar gun. 99. Remember that from Major League? Ricky Vaughn. Wild Thing. Alright. That concludes our 8 boxes of Alan Ginter 2018 Topps. It was a lot of fun. Go back and check out parts 1 through 8 if you haven't already seen those. We will be doing a recap video, so look out for that. We'll have our framed signature. We had the Jersey relic. We had a Yankees pinstripe relic, excuse me. And then coming up, stay tuned for these bad boys, where we're going to be opening up 18 mini gold cards. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Yes. Can't wait for that. Stay tuned. See you soon. Love you. Bye.